Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn Online. So in this video we are going to talk about lesson number 2 from the book idées 1 and the name of the chapter is Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle meaning I call myself, my name is. Je means I, me means me, appelle to call. So je m'appelle means to call myself. So let's begin the video. So here, this is a boy whose name is Kevin, and this is a girl whose name is Leah. They are talking to each other. Let's see about their conversation. So Kevin is saying, "Salut, comment tu t'appelles?" Salut means hello. What is your name? Now she is replying, "Salut, je m'appelle Leah." My name is Leah, or I call myself Leah. Et toi and you. A is and, toi is you. Now he is replying, Je m'appelle Kevin. My name is Kevin. Now here we have one more conversation, and this conversation is a formal conversation between this gentleman and this lady. And in formal conversation, we use words like bonjour and vous. So this is a formal conversation. Let's see what is the conversation here. Now this gentleman is saying, Bonjour, madame. Hello, madam. Je m'appelle Michel. My name is Michel. Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? And she is replying, Bonjour, monsieur. Hello, sir. Je m'appelle Michel. My name is Michel. Now this gentleman is saying, Enchanté. Enchanté means delighted to meet you. And she is also replying, Enchanté, delighted to meet you. So see the difference between this enchanté and this enchanté. When a girl is saying, you will use an extra E after the word. When a boy is saying, you have to use single E with accent. Next, this is also a conversation between a lady and a kid. So she is asking, Quel âge as-tu? What is your age? And he is replying, J'ai 10 ans. I am 10 years old. Now, this is the next conversation. Let's see what we have in this conversation. The gentleman is asking, Où habitez-vous? Now she is replying, J'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. Now, someone is replying, J'habite à Strasbourg. Et vous, madame? I live in Strasbourg. And you, madam? Now she is asking, Où habites-tu? Where do you live? And she is replying, J'habite à Lyon. I live in Lyon. And now pay attention here. They have used habite words a lot of time here. And what is the difference between habite, habite? Let's see. When you use this verb with vous, you will use the spelling Habitez, habite. If you are using this word with je, you will use this spelling Habite. And when you are using this verb with you will use Habites. So pay attention to the spelling of this verb habit. Meaning is to live. So here we have les numbers. Écoutez et répétez. Listen and repeat. Now, French numbers are completely based on two vowels. When two vowels comes together in French, it has a different sound. And you should know the sound before learning the numbers with perfect pronunciation. So if you want to learn about the perfect pronunciation of two vowels, you should go to my video. The link is on you can see the link above. And I am also giving the link in the description box. You can go and watch the video. So here, first we have 0. This is zero. A is 1. E and U sounds a. E and U, these are two vowels. It has sound a. And X is the last consonant. Whenever X is at the end, it is silent consonant, so we will not pronounce it. So the pronunciation of this is the. E and U is a, D, E, U is the. Next is trois. The pronunciation of O and I, both of the vowels, the pronunciation is ua. Ua. So this is trois. And S is the last consonant, and S is muted consonant in French when it is at the end. So we'll not pronounce this S. This is trois is 3. Next is number 4. It is quatre. Quatre. 5 is sac. Sac. Q, we have Q. And whenever Q is at the end, we pronounce it completely. This is sac. And now from number 6 to number 10, there is exception. And we have to learn it by heart. There is no rule. These are exceptions and we have to learn it. Number 6 is ending with X. But here I told you that X is a muted consonant whenever it is at the end. And here we have exception. So we have to pronounce this completely. Pronunciation of X is Z in French. So this is sees. Sees. And number 7, T usually is a muted consonant in French, but when it is at the end. But here T is not muted consonant. Here T you will not pronounce. So the pronunciation of this is Seth. Seth. You will not pronounce P here. This is Seth. Next is 8. And H is a muted consonant. And H is a muted consonant. Whenever a word begins with H, we don't pronounce it. And T here is not a muted consonant. Otherwise, T is a muted consonant. So we will pronounce it as uit. Uit. Next is number 9. This is pronounced as naf. Whenever a word ends with C, F, and L, we have to pronounce that word completely. So this is naf. And this is these, same as C's. These. 10 number is these. Number 11, it is ons. Ons. The pronunciation of O and N is on. Ons. This is do's. Pronunciation of O and U is oo. So this is do's. Do's. Let's see one more time. Zéro, de, toi, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze. This is the counting. Let's see what we have next. What a mot. What is a box? Mot is word, means words. It's a plural form. Words, box of words. First word is a, meaning is in, to, or at. Age is age. On is years, years old. Ai is a, as is a. This is a verb that you have to learn to have. Chateau is castle. Église, church. Enchanté is pleased to meet you. Appel, please spell. Whenever you ask someone to please spell your name, the verb is appeler. Next is habite, habite, habiter. This is habiter, to live. Musée is museum. Neuf, neuf, new. No, surname. Où, where. Palais, palace. Parc d'attraction, amusement park. Prénom is first name. Quel, what or which. M'appelle, t'appelle, vous s'appelez. Meaning to call oneself. S'il te plaît is please. Tu is you. Vous is formal you or plural you. So next we have exercises. Cochez la bonne réponse. Tick the correct answer. So these are the questions and answers are here. We have the answers. Salut, comment ça va? And the answers will be très bien et toi. I am fine. And you? Next is bonjour. Comment allez-vous? Hello. How are you? Answer is je vais bien. Merci. I am doing fine. And you? Next is au revoir, monsieur. Goodbye, sir. Answer will be au revoir et à bientôt. Goodbye and see you soon. Quel âge as-tu? J'ai 10 ans. I am 10 years old. Next is où habitez-vous? Answer is j'habite à Nice. I live in Nice. These are the questions and the answers. Next exercise is all about the numbers. So the answers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here you have to listen and complete the counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next is complete et jouer la situation. Complete and enact the situation. So here we have some blanks and we have to fill the blanks. Let's see the answers of it. First, bonjour madame, comment vous appelez-vous is the answer. Je m'appelle Valérie et vous? Je m'appelle, you have to write down the name here. Enchanté, enchanté. This is the answer for part A. And for part B, salut, comment tu t'appelles? Hello, what is your name? Je m'appelle Ludovic. My name is Ludovic. Ludo, appelle, s'il te plaît. Spell please. Ludovic. L-U-D-O-V-I-C. Et toi? Je m'appelle, you have to write your name here. Où habites-tu? Where do you live? J'habite à, write down here, where do you live? So here we have the next exercise, the cultural corner. What you have to do is you have to listen and complete. Écoutez et complétez. Now, the Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower, number A, Eiffel Tower. And what is this? This is a monument in French, in France. So you have to write it here. Les monuments. This is a monument. So number A will be here. Next is Disneyland. What is Disneyland? Number B. Here is the Disneyland. It is les parcs d'attraction. This is an amusement park. So number B will be here. Number C. Le Château du Versailles. The castle. It is a castle. So Le Château, castle part mein, we have to write this C here. Next is Le Sacré-Cœur. This is church in France. Here is the church. So you will have the église. You have to write this here, D. Le Parc Fiutosco. So E, where is this E? Here is this park. This is also an amusement park. So E will be here. Le Arc de Triomphe. Next is Le Arc de Triomphe. This is here. This is also a monument in France. So in monuments, you will write it here. Notre Dame de Paris. Notre Dame, what is this? This is a cathedral. So you have to write it here. And next is Le Pays du Fou. Here is this Pays du Fou. This is also an amusement park. So H is here. Next is Le Louvre. This is a museum. So I is here. This is a museum. Next is Le Palais des Papes. This is the palace. So you have to write it in Paris. This is the answer of this question. You have to write monuments here. You have to write the amusement parks, Les Parcs d'Attraction here, Chateau here, Palais, palaces here, cathedrals here, churches here, and museums here. These are the famous monuments of France. Next, what we have to do here is we have to fill this identity card. They have given some information here. Je m'appelle Annie Dupont. J'ai 10 ans. J'habite 14 view do cinema paris. So name is here. Prénom is this. In French, prénom is first name, nom is last name. And this is the age of this girl, and this is the address that it is given here. You can see it from there. So this is it for today. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel and like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.